So today we got a new dog. Her name is Brittney. She's a baby and she's a girl. She's so cute and fluffy. So cute. I just wanna be. I don't know how it is to be a dog. And I don't post videos every night. Brittney, show how you drink. Show how you drink, dearie. Show it. Show. Okay. Show you drink. See, that's how she drinks. A little. Let me show some of her toys. These are only her toys. Sorry. Only toys. This toy. And this toy. Oh! Scoop it. What's this, little baby? No. It's time to see mommy.
No.
Yes,
I
it's
think the camera is too close.
BDB. Her name is Little Asia. Brittney. And let's give her a room tour.
Kayo at makinig bago nyo makuha ang mga bigas nyo.
Never mind that. So let's go. Her bedroom and her toys her play place. We always talk here. So we always talk here. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna make a house tour. The place where she hides when we play hide and seek. The place when she's scared or sad. Her bathroom. And her second. Never mind that again. Her tree house. Her door. Boom. Brittney, where are you going now? Oh, Brittney, sit down. Britt, are you okay?